welcome back. Today we are going to make a cold pea cheese salad. This is an awesome side dish, especially for lunches, but it's great for potlucks and holiday get-togethers as well. And we are going to start with a list of ingredients. I will list them in the description below. You're gonna need some peas. I like to use frozen peas for this salad. I prefer to use cheddar cheese cubes, but you can use whatever flavor cheese you would like, cheese cubes. We're gonna need about a half a cup of diced onion. I really like to use red onion for salads, but we have a ton of white onions on hand, and so I'm just using those up. We are going to do, I got the cheddar cheese cubes. I like to cut my cheddar cheese cubes up a little bit smaller. Makes it a little bit easier to get them on your fork. And then we need some sour cream, some mayo, and dry ranch packet seasoning. And then we're also going to use, I'm going to use a little bit of sweet basil. You could use parsley if you would like. A little bit of salt and pepper, and then a splash of apple cider vinegar. This is such an easy recipe. Now, we dump them in there, and I actually saw a little pea stem somewhere. Where did it go? Here it is. Look at that little pea stem. Okay. If you have fresh peas from the garden, oh my goodness, it makes this recipe so amazing. But I'm going simple today, and I am using frozen. So we got the peas in there, and then I'm going to dump in, it's about maybe a cup of cheese cubes diced up smaller. And again, that half cup of diced onion. If you have cooked bacon, toss that in. You could use like little ham cubes as well. That is pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up just a little. Get the onions broken up here. Okay. And then I'm gonna grab a smaller bowl, and we are going to do a 1/4 cup of mayo and a 1/4 cup of sour cream. And I just remembered, I actually have a dressing in my fridge that is phenomenal, that will go so good with this salad that I'm going to use that instead. But this is what I would do normally for the salad. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of the mayo and put that into my bowl, and a 1/4 cup of sour cream. And then I would mix that together in the bowl with my dry ranch packet. Okay, but I have this Sweet Vidalia Onion seasoning dressing in my fridge, and it is perfect for pea salad. Peas are sweet, and so is this dressing, and they just go so well together. And then onions, the fresh onions, oh my goodness. Okay, so I am going to get a measuring cup, because you really only want about a half a cup of dressing here for your pea salad. So we're gonna go about that. If this would be awesome for Easter. I am telling you right now, the Sweet Vidalia dressing for Easter is just, ooh, so good. Okay. I love it when I remember, like, I am one of those Aldi shoppers, and I love when I find like little unique things, seasonal things or things from other countries, that kind of stuff. And then you get it, and then you have half a jar or bottle, and you're like, how do I use this up? This is how we do it. I'm gonna sprinkle up my sweet basil, just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, not a ton, maybe a little bit more pepper, and just a splash of apple cider vinegar. Literally, that is it. You're like, what? Trust me, especially if you're doing the mayo sour cream combo. And then we're going to mix this together. I think I'm going to go ahead and dice up a little bit of ham that I have on hand to throw in here also. Okay, I actually had salami on hand to use up, so I chopped that up and I'm gonna put that in here. If you have like prosciutto or again, cooked bacon is amazing in the pea salad. All right, we're gonna get a little dish with a lid, store this for later. It's gonna be a perfect side dish to dinner tonight. One of the other little gold finds I have found, you guys, is a peach balsamic vinaigrette. Got that from Aldi's. I have used that in some of my recipes as well. It goes amazing with chicken. So that would be a really good meal to have, a balsamic peach chicken, like a roasted chicken in your crock pot with pea salad on the side. That would be a great pairing. And again, I will list the full recipe with the mayo sour cream ranch version below and this alternative version too. We'll see y'all next time.